week I'm going into office in Seattle, so I'll be traveling for work for the first time actually ever. And this is actually my first time ever seeing anybody at work in person. Like, I've never seen anyone in person since I started working, and I've worked my full-time job for almost 3 years now. But I started during the pandemic, so that's why I've been working remotely. But now I'm finally traveling for my job for the first time, so I'll take you guys with me because I don't want to be alone. It's my first solo trip too, so I'm a little nervous because I never flew by myself and stayed in a hotel room by myself. I already finished packing my stuff. This is my airport outfit. My 𝐸𝐴𝐻𝐸 sweats and 𝐸𝐸𝐻𝐸 top, and then my 𝐸𝐸𝐻𝐸 matching crop jacket. I'm gonna go to the airport around 4 because I'm paranoid and I want to be there early, and then probably just like chill until my flight. So I just got to the hotel and my room is on the 4th floor. And we landed actually pretty early, like at 7:30. Alright, this is the room. Ooh, we got a king bed, closet, microwave, toaster, fridge. This is the bathroom. Alright, so I'm probably just gonna get settled in and then go out to eat or something because I'm starving. I didn't eat since 12 today. And my place is in Redmond. It's not even in Seattle because the office is in Redmond. So I'm probably just gonna try like a local restaurant or something. It looks so nice inside. I'm literally sweating. Why is it hot out here? Like, I thought it was cold in Seattle. Oh my god. But anyways, she said it was closed, so, but takeout is available, so I ordered takeout. I'm just gonna go back to my hotel and then eat there instead. Dumplings. Cheers. It is currently 9:30, so it's pretty early. I usually sleep pretty late. But tomorrow, my first meeting is at 7:30, so I have to be up at least 5 in the morning. And I'm not a morning person, so it's gonna be a lot for me this week, I think. You have Netflix. YouTube. Alright, good morning. It's like 6:30 a.m. right now. I'm already done getting ready. I'll show you guys the outfit. Hopefully this is fine. Slacks from 𝐸𝐸𝐻𝐸. The top is from 𝐸𝐸𝐻𝐸 too. I have a meeting soon in about 20 minutes at 7 a.m. I talked to my coworker and he said that we should take the call at the hotel, and then after the call we'll go together to the office. So yeah. So I just got off work at 4:30. I'm so tired, but today was actually pretty chill because I only had that one meeting in the morning, and then the rest of the day I just was on my own. But I did get lunch with 2 of my managers and 1 of my coworkers today, so that was pretty fun and cool. Tonight I do have dinner plans to go get hot pot. I'm gonna try Chengdu Memory in Seattle. So I'm gonna go retouch my makeup and then change and then go. Sauce I made. I literally ordered no sides because I knew I would get full off just eating the meat. Just finished eating. I'm gonna go to this place called Boba to get boba, but it's back in Redmond. I want to go to a boba place in Seattle because I want to be near my hotel, and I'm super tired now. I have like a food coma, so I'm just gonna quickly get boba and then go back to my hotel. Okay, we're back, and I'm gonna try this smoothie that I got from Boba. This is the Strawberry Seduction. Yeah, I was gonna get their tea, but I don't know about tea here in Redmond. Cheers! I gotta get unready soon and go to bed because, like I said, I have an early meeting tomorrow at 7:30 again. So I have to leave here by like 7 with my coworkers. Today was such a day. I'm gonna call it a night because I'm drained and it's only 10:30ish right now, but it's a good time to go to sleep because I have to wake up really early. So good night. I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, it's Tuesday morning and looks like my hair did not stay curled overnight. I think it's because I showered. When I do my hair after showering, it always falls out. So I probably won't do the same tonight, and I'll just leave it straight for tomorrow. But anyways, I just want to show you guys the outfit. The sculpted neck crop top from 𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐢𝐿. Slacks from 𝐦𝐸𝐿. Right now, it's currently 6:45, and I have to meet my coworkers downstairs in the lobby at 7. And then we're gonna get to the client site before 7:30, our meeting. And then tonight, like I said, I have a team dinner at 5:30. So yeah, today's gonna be pretty busy, and I'm gonna be drained even more than yesterday. So yep, gonna pack up my stuff now and go. There's a gym at this hotel, and I'm gonna go for a little bit. It's just gonna be a little bit because I'm lazy and I'm tired after working all day. But I didn't work out last week because I was super stressed out with work. And then this weekend is Labor Day weekend, so I'm definitely not working out. So I just need to get like a little pump in. Bruh, how do you do RDLs? I don't know how to do them. I feel it in my butt, but I also feel it in my hamstrings, so I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. Alright, happy Wednesday. It should be my last day here. Tomorrow my flight is at 10 a.m. so I'll be leaving pretty early because I heard the Seattle airport is kind of crazy and crowded. Today is actually more packed than yesterday because some of my meetings yesterday got canceled or postponed till today, so I just gotta get through today and then I get to go home tomorrow. Okay, so I just got back from work and we actually left early because me and my coworker want to go to Pike's Place. Or we just want to go downtown Seattle and just spend the rest of our day at tourist spots or trying different foods before we leave tomorrow. So I'm gonna quickly freshen up, change, and then meet him down at the lobby and then we're gonna go.
You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine.
Right, going to Jade Garden for dinner.
It's like what my
Cheers to my camera. We're here at Mochi Nut getting donuts for dessert.
Our 158-meter destination in just 80
I just got back from going to the Space Needle, or just basically hanging out all evening with my coworker. And then I got souvenirs for me and my housemate. I mean, you can already tell, obviously, what it's gonna be. So this is my shot glass. It's so me, the pink. It says Seattle. And then I got my housemate, Philip, a double shot glass. This just caught my eye. It's cute, it has a Space Needle on it. You're welcome, Philip. He's in Japan right now, so he better be getting me a Japan shot glass. Today was a fun day, honestly. I was super stressed with work, but going out in Seattle like made me calm my nerves a little bit. And happy to know that I'm going back home tomorrow, so. But then I have to work still, so. From home and, you know, whatever, and take, you know, a few calls, but it's fine. I liked it. I liked the solo trip. But especially because I was here for a reason, like for work, so I didn't feel like I had to try so hard to find things to do, you know. But it was nice visiting Seattle for the first time. I'll probably come here another time for like another trip, but I don't know. I just feel like it was just another San Francisco, in my opinion. Anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna extend this video, but if I don't, then I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Thanks for spending time with me. Alright, so I just got back from my second day here in Vegas. Vegas! I was literally so full from the hot pot, and honestly, it was kind of mid. I like the meat, the quality of the meat, but the broth could be better.